If you are trying to place design like this, please stop doing this. Instead, first take quick selection tool, select the dress, press Ctrl plus J to make a copy of selection. Now go to layer panel, right click on the copy layer and make it convert to smart object. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, set the radius around 4.7 pixels, click OK. Then go to File, Save as Displacement PSD. Press Enter to save. Now delete the smart filter, visible the design layer, press Ctrl plus T to transform. Go to layer panel, right click on the design layer, create clipping mask and change the blend mode to multiply. Now go to filter, distort, choose displace. Click OK, select the displacement file and click open. Right click on the design layer, open blending options, hold Alt key and move the slider to the left side. Click OK. Now you're done. Thanks for watching. See you again.